since I recently have been suffering with symptoms for 5 weeks since COVID, all related to speaking in videos, I wanted to share with you one tip to prevent coughing while speaking, leading a team meeting, or doing a video. And this is such an important tip to keep in mind 365 days a year. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water. Your little vocal cords need to be hydrated. The more you drink, the better the chances that you will contain your coughing episodes. Wishing you a healthy speaking event. Take care.